Hey there, drone enthusiasts and aspiring pilots. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest drone reviews, tips, and tricks. Today, we're taking a closer look at the amazing JJRC H36 Mini RC drone. This little powerhouse is packed with features that make it perfect for beginners and experienced pilots alike. With its 6-axis gyro quad rotorcraft flight and strong stability, the H36 is capable of easily implementing various flight movements and resisting stronger winds with ease. One of the standout features of this mini drone is its headless mode, which allows you to control the course of the drone freely, making it perfect for pilots of all skill levels. Coupled with its 360 degrees flips and rolls capability, this drone is capable of some seriously impressive aerial maneuvers. But that's not all. The H36 also boasts a 6-axis gyro self-stabilization technology, which means you can toss the drone to start flying in any angle without it being affected. And with its high, low speed shift and one-key return function, this drone offers exceptional control and stability in flight, whether you're flying indoors or outdoors. The JJRC H36 Mini RC drone is ready to take on any challenge. And with its durable and drop-resistant material, you can fly with confidence knowing that your drone is built to last in the box. You'll find everything you need to get started, including the drone controller, USB charging cable, protective battery, fan blade set, and an instruction manual to get you up and flying in no time. So if you're looking for a high-quality, versatile, and fun drone to add to your collection, look no further than the JJRC H36 Mini RC drone. And the best part? You can find the link to purchase this fantastic drone in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy flying. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome drone content. See you in the next video.